John Deere Model B tractor that my family sold me. So it's here in Arizona with a long haul from Montana. Let's see if it starts. Here's the, gotta take off the highly technical exhaust can cover. And let's see here. Inside here we got the carburetor, the fuel filter for the fuel system. We gotta open up the fuel valve. Turn or two will be fine. Alright, gotta come around. Gotta use the step here because there's a step right here. Jump up on this thing. Alright. I'm in the driver's seat. Key to ignition. And we'll turn it on. So that's the ignition panel. It's got a couple meters there to set it up. And it shouldn't have to take a choke. It's pretty warm out. It's in neutral. And throttles, we'll move the throttle up just a little bit. This is wide open. This is full close. We'll put it in the middle here. This is the starter pedal down there. I'm going to step on it. And that'll get the engine rolling over. And we'll get it going in. Let's see here. Okay, try it again here. A little choke maybe. There we go. I had to choke it a little bit. There we go. She's running now. Idle's pretty good. There's a throttle right there in my hand. Shaking the camera. Pretty sweet runner. Smells good. Shut her down here. I'm just going to turn the ignition off. Okay, so that's my new John Deere tractor, and thank you very much for watching. Someday I'm going to get it out and we're going to take it all the way down and get it all cleaned up and pretty and shiny. But for now she's in really good shape, and then I got to finish my hot rod project first. So take care guys, and thanks for watching.